Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. As you can see, in my case I've got two different languages on this list, but no worries, I'll first of all show you how to add new one. Let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one. Just tap on it, and okay, I don't want it because as you can see it may be not available in some apps. I don't want to risk the situation that it will not be changed. So let me pick French, for example, just tap on it, and it's quite important. Of course, depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So let me pick this one, for example. And as you can see, the French language has been immediately applied, but the English is still a main language. So in order to set the French, we have to drag it to the first position, because on the first position we've got the default language. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, hold it, and now we can move it. So let me drag it to the very first position and leave it there. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So in my case, French. Let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at French, so let me change to English again. Tap on it, hold it, and simply drag it to the first position. And as you can see, we've got English set. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list just by tapping on the three dots icon here and tapping on remove. Now we can mark the languages and tap on delete icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.